Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of sambar rice. This is a protein packed rice and I served it with papad. Let's see how to prepare this dish. In a pressure cooker, take 1 cup of parboiled ponni rice. Add in half a cup of tur dal. Clean the rice and the dal in water. Now add in 5 cups of water. Add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as needed. Give it a mix and pressure cook the rice and the dal. The cooking time depends on a pressure cooker. I have cooked it for 8 whistles. It should be little mashy consistency, so cook it accordingly. Here I have taken 1 carrot, 1 tomato, 1 brinjal, 1 small piece of cucumber, 2 green chilli, small piece of raw mango, 9 shallots and half drumstick. Dice all the vegetables to almost equal size. There's no specific measurement for all these vegetables, you can take as much as you need. I'm transferring all these vegetables in this pot except the tomato and the green chilli. I'll be adding the tomato and the green chilli later. Add in 2 cups of water and salt as needed. Give it a mix and cover with the lid and cook well. The rice and the dal are cooked perfectly. Mix it immediately with a spoon when it is hot. It should be quite mashy consistency like this. Add in 1.5 cups of water and mix well. Keep the rice mix aside and let's move on to the vegetables. When the vegetables are half cooked, add in half a cup of fresh green peas, 1 tomato and 2 green chilli. Add in 1 more cup of water and cook the vegetables. The fresh green peas and the tomato wouldn't take much time to cook and hence I'm adding it in the end. The vegetables are cooked well. Now add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of sambar powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and mix well. Add in few curry leaves and a piece of jaggery. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in 3/4 cup of tamarind juice. If your tamarind is too tangy means you can reduce the quantity of tamarind juice. Check for the salt and add it if required. Once the mixture boils, add in the cooked rice and the dal. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Add in few coriander leaves. In goes 1 teaspoon of ghee. Sambar rice should be of little loose consistency like this because once it cools down, it will thicken. Once you get this consistency, switch off the flame. Heat a third pan and add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, 1 teaspoon of jeera seed, 2 red chilli and few curry leaves. Add it to the sambar rice. Give it a mix and delicious sambar rice is ready to be served now. I am frying some papad which tastes best for sambar rice. Do try this delicious sambar rice and share me the feedback. Sambar rice and papad is best lunchbox menu. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.